Alright, welcome back. Today we're making fettuccine Alfredo. We've got some shrimp here. We're gonna take the tails off, make our noodles, our sauce, mix it all together. Alright, let's go. Alright, we got our shrimp all peeled, deveined, and the tails off. They're already cooked, so I just have to throw them in afterwards and warm them up. I've got some water on the stove, just waiting for it to finish up boiling so I can cook our fettuccine noodles. And then once those are done, or almost done, we'll get started on our Alfredo sauce. Alright, now that our water is boiling, I'm going to add some salt. Alright, while our noodles are cooking, we're going to go ahead and make our sauce, Alfredo sauce. I'm going to put it on medium heat. Melt 1 cup of butter. One cup of heavy whipping cream. Now we're going to cook this till the butter's melted and the cream's just bubbling a little bit. Alright, there we go. This is all ready. Now I'm going to whisk in 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. Alright, now salt and pepper. Alright, now I'm going to add my shrimp. Alright, noodles are done. Before I drain it, I want to keep 1 cup of the water, and that's just in case the Alfredo sauce is too thick. I can thin it out a little bit. So. I just want to keep tossing it till all the noodles are covered. All right, and dinner's done. Shrimp fettuccine Alfredo. I think it looks pretty good. Let's see how it tastes.